All right, guys. There is Miss Tinklebird. Over here is Yellowbird. But that's not what this video is about. What this video is about is behind this door. I have been doing some renovation projects in there. Me and Melinda and Jacob, the master bedroom and the bathroom have both been significantly improved. So with that being said, let's go check it out for the first time here on camera. First, we gotta turn this on. If you look over here, the first thing you'll notice, the door to the kitchen is gone and the wall has been painted. This is my accent wall. It's a fairly dark violet with the rest of the room having a lighter violet color. Excuse me. Also got a new headboard, and it's really nice because I got elevator buttons over there and a little preheat light right here that I can play with. Awesome. We'll do a more in-depth tour of the whole house later, but I'm just so excited because me and Jacob just finished this a couple hours ago. Behind this door is my new bathroom. Let's go take a peek. If you want to see a full bathroom tour with a shower and everything, go check out my Commode channel. I just posted it. Do you remember how blue this bathroom used to be? Not anymore. We also put new light switches in, actually old ones from the 70s, but new old stock, mercury light switches that glow. You turn it on, the glow goes off. Fan 2. Look at this paint. It is beautiful. It is a dark tannish brown color, and it complements my accent wall as well as the color of the toilet very well. There's my shower. Of course, you know we still have the preheat lights up here. And there is my sink. And I know all you toilet fans are going to want to see this toilet flush. Well, you will get to see that. I also got this new toilet seat that almost matches the toilet. Old standard. Let's give it a flush and that'll be it. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this little update. Here in the next week or two, I will do my best to do a full house tour and get Fluorescent Friday resuming. Also, put up glow-in-the-dark stars up here. I'll show you real quick. Pretty cool, you can see them glowing. Alright guys, that'll be it. Hope you enjoyed this. Again, please let me know what y'all think of these colors that I've picked for the bedroom and the bathroom. That'll be it.